Come on in, come on in, come on in. Hey guys, my name is Rosalind from Rosalind Journey Through Crafting. How you guys doing today? Guys, we got a treat for you. Oh, not for you, a treat for myself. What I'm going to do on this Sunday is I'm going to paint my walls white. Okay, and the reason why we're going to paint them white is because I need to make my videos and I need to have space and room to do that. So what I decided to do is take this area of my living room and do my filming from this area instead of in my bedroom, because at least in here I have a little bit more room to work with. As you can see, I can move, right? I can move, guys. And in my bedroom I couldn't do that. You couldn't see me, and I want to do my balloon arches and my balloon stands, and this is the perfect area to do it. So these walls are like a burnt orange and brown, as you can see. That got to go. I'm going to see how this goes now. I'm not telling you I'm a professional because I'm not. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to prime these walls, and I'm going to prime these doors, and then I'm going to throw some white paint on that. And I'm hoping that these colors doesn't seep through. Now guys, you're going to come along with me on this journey. So every step that I take, you'll know about it. But I'm not going to film myself painting it, but what I am going to film is after I put the primer on, I'm going to show you guys how that looked before I put the white paint on. Okay, so I'm going to scan around and show you some of the areas. Oh, and look what I did. I used the Dollar Tree spatula, right? Can you hand me that? Yeah. I have my girls with me, guys. They're not going to get up in here.
Don't do anything.
So we have this lightweight spatula, right? Guys, check that out. You see how you're learning things? How you got to do things by yourself. You got to do them. What I did was filled up the holes or whatever, and then I sand the excess off, so it's very smooth. So it won't interfere with the paint. It shouldn't show through, which is a good thing, guys. And you know you got to do this. I didn't want to do it because it took up so much time, but I'm glad I did because it looks so much better. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to start from the bottom and work my way up. So I'm going to do my baseboards or wood primers first, and then I'm going to work my way up. So right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to just spin you guys around. So hold up, we go. There we go. Yeah. That's all our material. We got to working on this floor. After that, I'm going to do this floor. So excuse the floor. Excuse my messy look today. But yeah. And you see the green tape up there? Yeah. So you know I'm learning, guys. So the green tape is to prevent paint from getting on that ceiling up there, because I'm not doing the ceiling. That ceiling is going to remain that color. And yeah, it's a whole mess up in here, guys. And I'm going to take this shade down and put new shades up. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys come along with us on this journey. And this is going to be my new area right here. And I'm going to be doing my fuming. Okay guys, I don't know how long we were painting, but I know it was some hours, 4 or 5 hours. It's 8:40 now, and I believe it's been about 4.5 to 5 hours we've been painting. But guess what? We finally finished the wall. Oh my God. And it's not completely dry, but guys, the orange is gone. The burnt orange is definitely gone. So I have a whole white wall now, and let the crafting begin. I made a few mistakes, quite a few mistakes. I painted my hair. I got paint on the floor, of course I did. But this wall is done. I'm going to swing you around to the other wall. And this wall is completely done also. So So maybe one day when I feel like that, we'll do the other side. We only did half, and I'm okay with that. So there's two things we gotta do now. We gotta do the other side of the wall. Okay? So guys, I want to thank you for taking this journey with me. My name is Rosalind from Rosalind from Journey Through Crafting. Guys, as you can tell, I'm tired. This has been a journey for me, guys. But guess what? My wall is completely done, and I can start doing my balloon stands and my balloon arches and my crafting from this corner of the room. I'll take it, guys. Compared to my small bedroom, well, not small bedroom, but compared to my bedroom, I'll have a lot more room to do some projects over here. So guys, thank you for taking this journey with me. My name is Rosalind from Rosalind Journey to Big thank you to my girls who helped me paint. They stood in there with me, even though the arms and the legs were tired. So guys, thank you so much. Have a great evening. Bye-bye.